Hi everyone, I'm Elena and welcome back to this month's exclusive AI marketing tips and tricks brought to you by Advertising is Simple. Today we're taking a look at Kling AI and its powerful text to video feature. With just a simple text prompt, you can generate professional looking videos in minutes, making it easier than ever to create eye-catching content for social media, marketing campaigns, and so much more. So let's dive in. Head over to kling.ai and hit Experience Now. For this demo, I'm going to create a promotional concept video for one of our clients, the Wellwood Restaurant. We'll use Kling AI to generate a realistic video from a simple text prompt. Here I will paste in my detailed text prompt on creating a video of someone eating a blue crab. Then I'm going to select my video settings, and once I'm happy with the settings, I'll hit generate. And now we have our short video. This took just a few minutes to create from a written prompt. While this isn't meant to replace real footage at the Wellwood Restaurant, it's a great way to create concept videos for promotions, social media, or seasonal marketing campaigns. And that's a wrap on introducing you to Kling AI. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for next month's exclusive AI marketing tips and tricks.